I've used Frontier before and I knew their work was good and I knew it would be beautiful, so I called them and I got exactly what I wanted. The space now is comfortable. It's big, it's spacious, it's private, way more than before. The quality is great. If you're looking for something that is hardwood or like a special type of wood, they can give you whatever you need. They gave me a place to just lounge and read a book and listen to the trees and hear the birds, and I love that it's, it's a very comfortable space and it's not crowded and I can have many people over. We have lots of entertaining and yeah, it's a great space. I love their work. They always do beautiful and they're easy to work with, and they try and stay within your budget. So they're really good that way. Like they're really good to like help you get to where you want and then work within your budget. My overall experience working with them has been amazing. Yeah, they're like friends now. I can just pick up the phone and give somebody a call, and it's, I can talk to Jay right away. I can talk to Paul right away. You don't get that with a lot of companies anymore. So that's what I really like about them. You could tell they're like a family-owned business and they really care about the work that they produce. They're a really good resource too for other contractors, and I know that if they trust their contractors, then I can trust that they're going to be good work. I've recommended them to many people already. Their work speaks for itself and they're great, and I wouldn't go with any other company.